We are now officially 5 days away from the Memefi TGE, and they have been running giveaways for the past days now. But the biggest of the giveaways is yet to come. This Lamborghini right here could be yours. It is up for grab. If you're a premium Memefi user, you could be the lucky winner of this Lamborghini giveaway, which the Memefi Tap to Earn game is running. If you're a premium Memefi user, this Lamborghini right here, there are only 600 of them in existence. You could be the lucky winner of this Lamborghini. Okay, don't forget, this giveaway has nothing to do with me. I'm not the one doing it. Neither is YouTube. YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway. If you want to participate, first check your local laws. Okay, second, check Memefi giveaway rules and regulations. Okay, and don't forget again, YouTube is not responsible, okay, for this giveaway. If you want to participate, it's your choice, and I am going to participate in this giveaway. Let me show you how I'm going to go about doing this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to click on this right here, the premium button. Click on that. Let's see what that says. It says right here, gain permanent eligibility for the grand draw, an exclusive series of events for Memefi premium holders with large USDT and luxury item prizes. Okay, so this is the first thing. This gets you becoming a Memefi premium user, and the next is it guarantees your transaction is prioritized in the airdrop claim queue. Okay, so if you're a Memefi user, a Memefi premium user, during the airdrop, okay, if you claim your allocation to maybe any wallet or centralized exchange, as the case might be, you are going to be among the people their transactions will be prioritized. Okay, and the third one is get a one-time bonus of 1 million Memefi coins. So if you subscribe, you get 1 million Memefi coins and 1,000 pins. Wow, that's interesting. And of course, distinguish your profile display with a unique design tailored for premium users. It is going to cost 500 stars. I want to participate in this. I could be the lucky winner, who knows. I also might not win, but I already have the emotional strength to stomach whatever is the outcome. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to get myself some stars. So here is my Memefi wallet that is connected to the Memefi app. Okay, and I've got about $9.2 US here, and you can see down here that this $9.2 US is because of Toncoin. I funded it with Toncoin. If you don't know how to fund your Memefi wallet with Ton, it is pretty simple. Go to any centralized exchange, use your bank card, or use the P2P section of the exchange to buy Ton, okay, and then send it to this place. Well, this is actually more complicated than what I just said. If you want to know how to do it detail by detail, I've got a video. Okay, I'm gonna link it to the description of this video. Go check that video. It's gonna show you how to buy crypto on Bybit and how you can send it to this wallet right here. Thing I'm gonna do is to go to the browser section. Once I am here, okay, I'm gonna scroll to fragments. This right here, I'm gonna click on it. So that brings me to this page. I'm gonna click on connect on. Okay, so I want to connect my Memefi wallet. I'm gonna click on connect wallet. Okay, enter my passcode. Now my wallet is connected. The next thing is to go to the start section, click on that, and now I can see the options available. I'm gonna click on this to see more. So I want to buy 500 stars. Okay, so I am going to click on this right here, and it is time to proceed with this transaction. I am just going to enter my Telegram username here. Okay, so the next thing will be to enter your username here. After entering your username, key in the quantity of stars you want to buy. I want to buy 500 stars. Okay, I want to buy 500 stars. You can even select it down here. Okay, and the next thing will be to click on this button right here. Again, don't forget, okay, to key in the right username. If you key in somebody's username, then you're buying for the person. Be sure it is your username that you have here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to click on buy 500 Telegram stars and buy stars for Bricks LBs. Ladies and gentlemen, my wallet is being connected. I am going to drag this to the end. I'm spending about 7.49 US dollars, enter my passcode. So this transaction is running and it is done. Stars acquired 500 Telegram stars for Brixel Bees. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to come back to Memefi, click on buy for 500. Okay, and then I'm going to click on confirm and pay. Okay, now I have made the purchase. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to go back, and as you can see, I got gifted 1,000 spins. It was initially 109, now 1,109. And if I click on this right here, the Lamborghini, you can see the following: real Lambo and 3 days in Dubai. Okay, and there are 13 days left. Okay, but I want to show you something here. If you want to get more tickets, okay, to increase your chances of winning, you can just click on this, any of this. If I click on that second one, okay, I would have to spend about 2,500 stars to get more tickets, more 10 tickets. Okay, if you want to do that, you can go ahead. But there are other giveaways, the daily ones, okay, you can participate in if you are not a premium user. This one right here, if you click on that, okay, you can see that there is a timer 12 hours before this elapses. I need to collect 50 ETH items. These ETH items are tickets that will qualify you to be part of this giveaway. You can earn up to 28,897 USD in this giveaway. Okay, so to participate, all you need to do is this right here, your spins. Use it. How do you use it? Click on it. If you don't have spins, you know how to get them. Go to the end section and get them. Okay, just click on this right here. This is a little secret many do not know. Just increase that to the highest. So now I'm going to hold this pin down and let it spin. So as this is spinning, you are going to start collecting ETH items, which will qualify you for this giveaway. You can see I have 0 out of 50 now, but as this is spinning, this will keep increasing. And the moment I collect 50 over 50, that will qualify me for today's giveaway. I am at 40 ETH tickets now. I am going to 50. Let's see. I've collected 50 out of 50. So that means I could be a winner. It all depends on luck. I have collected all 50 required ETH items and I have gotten my ticket. As you can see right here, it is raining as I'm making this video. I hope the sound of the rain is not disturbing enough not to hear what I'm saying. Okay, and so you can see right here, it says you have received your ticket. Check the winner list after the timer ends. So after the timer, I'm just gonna check the winner list to see if I won anything. Okay, so this is how to participate in the daily giveaways, and then the other one, which is the premium giveaway. If you've got any questions, let's share you in the comment section. That's it for this video. This is Brixel Biz, and it's a guy Ken signing off for now.